If you've been feeling overwhelmed, like you can't fully relax, this is for you. I am doing an overnight paddling trip on a paddleboard. I am sharing how I planned this journey, the gear and food I brought, and what I learned along the way. My plan is to paddle along the shore to find a place to camp, recharge, and restore from my device driven daily routine. The first thing I want to do is just to sit here and do nothing. Stroke by stroke, the busy mind that we bring from the city, from the devices, and from the routine loses its grip. So here I am, looking for a place to camp, trying to leave the very moment I am in. Fully feel the present. So I got here, and this is not an ideal spot to set up camp. I might go back and try other places that I spotted. I just need to trust and see what happens. I just arrived here. This seems to be the spot where I am going to spend the night. I stopped thinking about finding the place, and the place found me. To plan my trip, I used an application that I designed. If you want to use the prototype, check the link in the description of the video. We really don't need much to be well. It's not about the gear or the logistics or the itinerary. It's about the intention. I try to get the best quality gear I can afford so it'll last longer, because all the gear that we have, all the plastics and the fire retardant and the waterproof coats and those pollutants, they are going to end up in the environment, in our environment, in our world, in our home. The industry needs to come up with better technologies, and that is decided by us, the consumers. I'm not sure if this is a good spot to pitch my tent. It's uneven and the rocks are pretty sharp. I'm gonna try to set up the hammock to see how it works. I finished setting up camp. I put up the tent, but I have the hammock as an alternative because the ground where I put the tent is pretty uneven. But I don't have any plans or any expectations. I just want to be present. I just want to be fully present, immerse myself into this moment, be grateful for the moment, for all the comfort that I have with me. Turn off my phone, stop recording, and just be here. These trips are the perfect grounds to train the attention, to awaken instinct and intuition. I hang my food at night so animals won't come to my tent. I'm sorry, Mr. Bear, but I'm not gonna share my food with you. Coffee is an excuse to have these little moments of presence and gratitude. The smell of the coffee awakens your senses and brings you to the moment. I make my own dehydrated meals. I like them because I don't need to clean dishes and use soap. So I prepare the packages at home. I rinse the bag and reuse it. You can check some recipes that I include in the description of the videos. Before I leave, I want to build a platform here for the next time that I come. I hope you find a place like this to have a time like the one I'm having. Ready for next time or for the next one. This is the gear that I brought for this trip. This time I brought a hammock. I have my clothes, my food, electronics, my coffee kit, a DD bag with toiletries, 2 headlamps and spare batteries, water bottle. I like these style, the canteen style, because they don't roll around. I have here a 450 millimeter titanium pot with my gas and stove. I have this ground cloth. It is a repurposed old tent floor that I waterproofed with mineral oil and beeswax. I have my first aid kit, a bandana, super practical to clean and dry stuff, my bear spray, water filtering system, and my sleeping bag, my tent, and my sleeping pad. Last walk in the woods before I head back, just to give thanks for the place that welcomed me to spend the night. All these trees and rocks, the moss. You don't need to be fit or experienced or any fancy gear. You just need to come out and listen and reconnect with your nature.